नमस्ते, हमेशा खुश रहो, फिट रहो। I'm JVN Professor Manju Sharma. Module name Primary Objectives of Pedagogy of Social Science. Subject name Pedagogy of Social Science. Program name DAB at 5th Sem. University name Jyoti Vidyapith Women's University. I welcome to all in University today discussing about primary objective of pedagogy of social science. Social studies education develops right from school to help students understand their place in the world. Social studies teaches children their roles and responsibilities, particularly in relation to social and civic affairs. It helps students develop critical thinking abilities, prepares them to participate competently and productively as concerned citizens and teaches them to address social and global concerns using literature, technology, and other identifiable community resources. Social studies include history, geography, political science, sociology, economics, and civics, and it is an integral part in ensuring well-rounded education in the K-12 curriculum. The goals of teaching school sciences in the school are to instill social values, customs, and traditions, as well as build a human personality, study the hopes and aspirations of society, and contribute to the socialization of students. Understanding the relevance of social sciences in order to appreciate the phenomena of continuity and change. Recognizing the relevance of the subject in establishing interlinkage with natural and social environment. Appreciating the values enshrined in the Constitution of India, such as justice, liberty, equality, and fraternity, and the unity and integrity of the nation, and the building of a socialist, secular, and democratic society. Classifying and comparing the cause and effect relationship in the context of occurrence of events, natural and social process, and the impact on different section of society. Explaining the concept like unity in diversity, democracy development, diverse factors and focus that enrich our culture and art. Discussing the need for involving quality of approaches in understanding natural and social phenomena, creating awareness and sensitivity towards diversity, gender disparity, needs of children with special needs, and margin section of society. Conceptual inquiry and effective objective of social science. Objectives of the social science range from broad goals for the total program to specific instructional objectives in teaching plans. The four main types conceptual. Conceptual outcomes are being defined in terms of concepts, themes, and generalization. They may be developed in the social science. To identify con, uh, to identify the roles, interactions, and interdependence of individuals at home, in the community, in state and nation, functions of such institutions, contribution of men and group to changing cultural heritage, environmental problems and concern, causes and effects of pollution, and steps to ensure environment. Inquiry. to develop competence in using modes, methods, and process of inquiry, including the ability to use such inquiry process in recalling, observing, comparing, classifying, interpreting, defining, generalizing, synthesizing, inferring, predicting, hypothesizing, and evaluating. Make plans for investigating topics and problems, collecting data, organizing and processing data, driving conclusions, and assessing outcomes and procedures of inquiry. Skills, social skills, study skills and work habits, group work skills, intellectual skills. Affective, to identify, describe, and demonstrate in individual behavior and group activities, values and feeling of individuals who are possessing such qualities like open mind, responsible. Cognitive domain. It is concerned with the intellectual aspect of internal process or cognition. The different categories of instructional objectives in the domain are knowledge related with the acquisition of different type of information received, received by the learner as part of instruction. Comprehension, result of mental process of the learner which enables to transform the different forms of information acquired to a more comprehensive format. Application, the learner applies knowledge that has been acquired and comprehend into new and similar situations. Analysis, it is an intellectual process by which the learner is able to analyze the acquired, comprehend, and applied knowledge into its consequent parts of elements. Synthesis, the mental ability of the learner to integrate the acquired, comprehend, applied, and analyze knowledge, information to a comprehensive whole. Evaluation, judgment about a value of a material and methods to given purpose. Affective domain, objective which emphasize feeling, emotion. The different categories of instructional objectives in the domain are receiving, awareness, willingness to respond, and attention. Responding, acquiescence in responding, willingness to respond, and satisfaction in response. Valuing, acceptance of value, performance for a value, commitment of a value. Organization, conceptualization of value, organization of value system, characterization, generalized set. Psychomotor domain, related with purposive actions. The different categories of instructional objectives in the domain are perception, sensory simulation, mental and physical readiness, behavioral act of an individual under the guidance of the instructor. Mechanism, microanalysis in which each step is properly examined. Complex overt response adaptation. Specification, the specified overt behavior of learner is called specification. This session is powered by digital version 2.0, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Any query, write in comment box. We resolve your query. Thank you.